Cheers, Mike.
Hey.
Ricardo.
Hey.
Very warm welcome to 2018.
Yes.
And the very noisy episode.
My neighbors are machines. Technology.
We are in Malmö, Sweden, a very cold Malmö, Sweden. And we are about to head out to shoot some drone, fly some drone, have some fun. I think we have like 3 hours.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a very quick, efficient video today.
Yeah.
But it's also
it's the first one for 2018. So we
Yeah.
had now like we had some.
it's our kickoff.
Yeah, we had a kick-off lunch and kick-off coffee.
Feeling
And-
pumped, feeling
Yeah.
excited, feeling motivated.
And look at this beautiful weather.
Yeah.
It's really taking off. Blue day
Yeah,
in many.
kind of Swedish-ish weather. Anyway, have you seen the New Year video? Yes, you have.
I have.
And you're also a big subject. You're a
People
big
have
subject.
tried to study me and myself, and no. But it's a really good video, so you should check it out. And I don't know which. This way I should point.
Yeah.
Do check it out. It's right on top here. It's really nice.
It's a summary, a show reel of 2017. It's a feel-good video. I'm really happy with it. It gives me a lot of motivation for 2018.
Yeah.
Had some coffee, had some food.
We had some food. We do not have any floor heating here on this balcony, which is
Sadly not, no.
it's wood heating.
Yeah.
And we have a magnificent thing. I'm just gonna leave it with that, magnificent. Sometimes nature speaks for itself.
Anyway, I don't know which number is it, the 18th video diary or 17th? 18th, 17th?
18th would be very suitable.
I think it's the 18th episode. And shall we kick it off with some drone?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Peace! Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I mean, it's super cold, so my phone kind of died.
Yeah, the phone was the issue actually, not the.
Yeah, look, I actually have a lot of
that's
battery.
true. Yeah.
What do you think about it? Do you like it?
It's very impressive. I'm looking forward to spring and summer and different locations and different
Yeah, it's gonna be super nice.
themes and nature and stuff.
This is a funny fella. Let's get back, get some coffee,
More coffee.
and I don't know, take a look at the footage. Shall we say so?
Yeah, it's a wrap.
But yeah, we are having some coffee now, some good talk, some efficient work talk, excitement, planning, enjoyment, fulfillment. No,
Since I actually have a home office day, so
yeah, you do.
gotta do some stuff.
It's working from home, and I'm keeping him company. No, we're gonna work now and focus on producing, cooking, planning and stuff. So, see you. You've seen the footage. What do you think?
I see a lot of potential basically. So we talked about like projects that we could make, I guess.
Yeah.
So we have some ideas for the spring and summer. and I think we could have some really nice footage of some like nature things, and we have some different spots around Skåne. And
the footage is far from perfect, and so is like the image quality, because I haven't learned everything yet. But we see the potential, and it's super fun to fly. Pretty stoked about it. The drone speaks for itself. It will give us some really cool shots, and I can only imagine like a sunset, sunrise in a nice location.
So what we're saying is that you should stay tuned and watch what this man is gonna make throughout the year.
What we are gonna make. What you basically are saying is subscribe if you haven't, like everything if you want to, give it a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, we're not ending this video yet, but we're just saying that. So yeah. But you got a really nice apartment, I must say. And here you got your famous...
My favorite globe. Yeah, it's pretty old. It used to belong to my dad, I think. Yeah, or before him, I'm not sure. So it's not very accurate anymore, but it gives you some insight. I like maps.
Yeah. Who doesn't?
I don't know. Coffee, 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 coffee.
It's a short, weird video today. A little bit of everything.
You have to start the year by going here and there, training, learning insights, so that you throughout the year can produce even better quality material and get even bigger base of people that like what you're doing.
Yeah.
So.
And currently we are 92 subscribers to the channel, and I'm super happy with each and every one who subscribed. You mean so much. I really like your support and good feedback and nice comments and stuff. Gets me going.
Yeah.
And it keeps us motivated.
Yes.
So what do we say? Stay hydrated.
Stay dabby. Stay focused. Stay motivated. Stay yourself.
And also quote of the day right beside the window.
Quote of the day. Sometimes I like gravel roads better than tarmac when it's summer.
Sweet. More coffee here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need more coffee
Yeah.
to stay hydrated, you know, and energetic. No, but I'm working on my website, Davolto.com and Davolto.se, like the Swedish website, and yeah, we're looking at different solutions and different things, and putting our
Heart where it belongs.
yeah.
Actually.
Content creating. We might not look the most serious today, and maybe we aren't. We are talking, discussing, laughing, creating, thinking, and so on. Yeah. Not maybe the most exciting video you've seen, but it's a video, and it's the first one of this year.
We are on a highway, we will encounter crossroads, we will choose our path, and you will continue down the street, and further down the street there is sun and shininess.
It's not the destination itself, it's the path, the journey. It's getting there that's the most exciting.
And we are getting there.
Slowly.
Slowly but surely.
Shall we end the vlog? Shall we end the video?
But we have to end on a higher note, I think.
Yeah.
If a color is white, you can always color it more colorful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very much into colors and maps nowadays. It's,
So you spoiled us now with 2 Ricardo quote of the day.
That's true. You can always climb upwards. You can always climb upwards.
That's the third and final one. I think we will call it a zip.
Call it a day.
Call it a day. Finish it up. End it. Battery is about to die. Say something quick.
Drink water if you need to, but rather drink coffee. And subscribe! If you haven't. And we shall see each other next time. We shall see each other next time, I hope. You and me.